sore muscles after a workout are just kind of a fact of life. But this massage gun that I was gifted by the brand can help with those. So real quick, it comes with the USB charger. It's USB-C, so you plug it in the back here, and then the other end is USB-A. You can just plug it into any brick that you have, or like I did, I just used my surge protector, plugged it into that. So it is fully charged. It comes with multiple attachments. So we've got the one that's in here, and again, these just pop in and out. So if you've never used one of these before, these just pop in and out. You just pop that in. So we've got this one. We've got this one to like really dig into a sore muscle. This guy. This one, again, will really dig into sore spots. This one to kind of like go over top of sore muscles. And then the good old trusty foam ball. This is the most common one. So let's go, I'll use the ball here to kind of show you the different speeds. Okay, so I'm just going to turn the power on here. Got to hold it in. It's going to show you it's at 99%. And then you just turn it on like that. All right. And then as you do the plus here on the back, it goes up. And let's see, and then we'll go down. You can use this on your arms, on your legs. You can use it on your neck muscles. Ooh, it's gonna sound funny when I'm doing this. But so yeah, I mean, especially like using it on your legs after a good workout. Kind of hard to see. Okay, yeah, so go get down and use it on your legs. And again, just turn the power off here. Oops. Hold that in, turns it off. Just pop this out and switch it into whichever one you want. Turn it back on. Hold it in. And then you just go back up to the speed you want, right? And just kind of work on those sore muscles. So there. Yeah, this is a nice little compact, lightweight massage gun. So if you're looking for something little that you can kind of stick in your gym bag with you and take it with you, this is a nice, small, compact massage gun. So if you were thinking about something like this, I hope that this review has helped.